I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your identity on Upwork, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Start by signing into your Upwork account. Make sure you have your email and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose your verification method. You will be presented with different methods for verification, such as video verification or document upload. Select the one that suits you best. Step 4. Complete the verification process. Follow the prompts based on your chosen method. If you select video verification, ensure your camera and microphone are working properly. Quick gotcha, I almost missed the camera permissions pop-up, which delayed my verification. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After completing the verification, you will receive a confirmation email from Upwork. This may take a few hours, so be patient. I hope this guide helps you get verified quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.